What what did you just build? Can you show me what you just built? What's all that? What's all that? Did you stack all that up? You stacked all those pieces up?
That is a house.
That's a house?
It's a house, I see.
Hey Macy, can you tell me what Emma says when she's happy? What did Emma say when she's sad?
Cry.
Oh. Cries when she's sad and she says goo when she's happy?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Well, I don't want to talk now because Annie's making videos.
We'll pick up the cat.
You're gonna pick up the tower? I didn't get to fall down.
Baby.
But he's got Emma. He's laying on the sofa. Got my feet up.
We knocked it over.
You knocked it over.
Maybe run my tower.
You gonna be able to make one more tower?
Oh my goodness.
You knocked the tower over.
You knocked the tower over.
See what tower? See two tower. See three tower. Maybe. Oh, maybe. See the
Maybe you
plastic.
can hear her.
A plant.
I'm gonna help him speak her so you can hear her. She was counting all the pieces of her tower.
Let me pieces of tower. Let me pieces of tower. It grew when she's happy.
She goos when she's happy?
It grew when she's sad.
Oh, she cries when she's sad. You gonna put that on top of your tower? Wow, my goodness. That's a pretty big tower you got going there.
We'll talk over it anyway. Oh, we also learned, we were practicing today about small, medium, and large.
It grew when she's happy.
Big,
It
little,
grew when she's sad.
medium-sized and biggest.
Oh my goodness.
We had three Tupperwares. We had two Tupperware and small, medium Tupperware cookies in them. And then she had her little snack cup, which is also kind of like a Tupperware container. And I put them arranged together, and I said, well, now these are like the three bears. You know, Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. So we mixed them up, and she poured it, and the biggest one.
You put that on top? You can put that on top and finish your tower? Okay. Oh my goodness.
The tower.
Ah, I fell down again.
I don't want to build no tower.
And she was eating one
Okay.
for a snack.
Can't do it now.
And she was
Okay.